So, hello guys. Welcome back to another video of Technical MZR. I am MZR, and today, I am gonna show you how to upload a video on YouTube properly. So, let's start our today's video. First, go to YouTube and click to the upload videos like me. Then select your video or video files that you want to upload. Now, write down your title. The title shouldn't be too long or too short. Then write down the description on the description box. And keep in mind that the description should be longer than the title. Then just select your thumbnail like me. If you have a playlist, then select this, and if you don't have, it's okay to skip. As for age restriction, it depends on what type of content you have made. Simply, if you select yes, then it will be considered as video for kids, and the comments will be disabled by default. I recommend selecting no, because you are not a babysitter. If you gave a sponsorship in your video, then click paid promotion. As a YouTuber, tags are quite significant. You should add some tags related to your content and channel. For example, hashtag technicalmzr, hashtag howto, hashtag upload video in YouTube. If you have talked in your video, then make sure to add captions. Captions are auto-generated for using text-to-speech software. The location, date and place are not important, so skip this place. There is a license that will be default to standard. There is another named Creative Commons. If you give to Creative Commons, everyone can use your video. So, it will better to give it to standard. And then there is the category. My category is Science and Technology. If you don't want to show your likes of your video, just click on it like me. Then if you want to private or unlist your video, then simply select that option. But if you want to upload now, then select public option. Scheduling is also a choice. If you want to add cards or end screen, just click on it. So, guys, that's all for today. So, goodbye for now.